And I know what I have.
Yama o kwan se be ye juma. Juma no want man ye. Obi a be ye juma ye na se wotna abonten se yama o kwan ye juma. Mengin de se Ghana for be penny.
Wait, that's why a catfish. After all these things, share the ebano. Now, Ntim Fordjour. Any gay lover no are responding to Ntim Fordjour lawyers. Now, Ntim Fordjour gay partner and say the lawyers say our client will not retract for or apologize. Sorry. Sofo moko sofo trumudifo nanse ba abonte be catch Ghana for say ai ni gay partner na ekeka nsem bi fa no ho ompe enti omane 7 days or the gay partner no ebeko court say the gay partner na be twe ansan a or the den or the gay partner na wafa ne to no ebeko court enti na opekwan bi so aka the gay partner na hye the gay partner na lawyers na release this statement almost say so for trumudifo Ntim Fordjour client a sebio o partner na one ne da o de ne bema ehye ne to no o se on twin sign baby a opese okobia fa asem ne ko me catch the Ghana for say Ntim Fordjour trumudie for sofwo in Ntim Fordjour papa we aye trumu na wa ya bedru hanne wo the onam Ghana ye nyina let's pass the anti-gay bill ni nyina or the katani trumudie so and ni gay partner ne say masa fa wo jimi ko no ha time na weni ahenhan na ehye wo to no wan kasa wo de meko court ye tufri wo tu wi abegina beka kire me say wonti ase enti me catch them the last time me catch them for the last time say eye Ntim Fordjour ana Ntim Fordjour trumudia wedi no ene na nda onyankopon pa no ho ntoma this guy is gay. Ntim Fordjour is gay. The MP for Ascent South is gay. Right now, no, the gay partner says so. Person court, on fan court. Inti a train say Ntim Fordjour. Trumudifo sofo. Edi asem webe record. Na afe detailing naba. Na yesu yale kakra beka ho. Detailing no yale kakra beka ho. Debi aka Ghana for. Kwasi ampe yi bia pagya ni mu so ye sofo. Kwasi ampe yi bia pagya ni mu o say an me a politician. Me ka kire mo say sa akwa we nukura wo ni say ende okofia obeda e kire na yire fe ne to every say na yire ne ngini ndi biem and sometimes ana Ghana for oh we dey oya sofo onye sofo papa bia this guy is gay. Me say Ntim Fordjour is gay and everywhere in this world person he is gay and he just want to try and go after gays to prove to Ghana for say he's not. He just wants to use. You see, going after people, attacking people, stepping on their fundamental right to prove to people that I'm not gay. But he is gay because his gay partner today now says she is ready to meet Ntim Fordjour in court. Now, Ombre TV so now Ombre can say court no encore because next week after 7 days, we want Ntim Fordjour to enter court with his facts. You cannot just go to court and say, court, obi say me ye gay. Inti chinipa ntum abuofunu prove to court to say unye gay. You have to prove to court say unye gay. Only man na, and we want you to prove it in court. Say nebeya you are also take Ghana say ube prove actually Ghana for say obi a gay ayenchini kotum no. Recently I saw a video na oka say I am brani ebeshe no say who so obi eye nyame bi a cheso a gay a ko report no abuofunu. Right now you have to go to court and tell the judge that you are not gay. And you need to prove to the judge that you are not gay. And that is where the case is going to start from. You see, the Biamkacha Ghana for say, Sanko for we, Omudi tuo ni we are, na Omabaya Mose, ye Christopher, a ye trodifo, a ye Ntim Fordjour, and a dear, no wonder ho. Ntim Fordjour, the gay partner, and say, Ntim Fordjour, time and a shower tono, one cabibia, and then a two free or two, ube ye de, cocotte. Obi Busa say, is he not married? There are a lot of married people on this planet who are gays. And this guy is a typical example of a man who is married and still sleeping with men. Ntim Fordjour. Now, I want him to go to court. I want him to go and tell court to say, onye gay. Now, unproven check court, because before you can say court and penalize Obi and now unprosecute Obi, no, you need to prove beyond reasonable doubt to the court to say, onye gay. Now, you have to go and prove. Also, fail to a court. Also, fail to a court. Now, court to force the shower to near Musa Ampa Ututo Krono and gay like. Because when man fail to a quarter, you cannot stand in court and say, "Asime say me gay." Now, if somebody says you are gay and you are saying, "Say yanchini tuma," into obi onam gade bi because we gay or say yanchini tum, o jain. So the the gay partner, the is saying, "Say Ntim Fordjour should go to court." Me dem me buy say me be chirem. Me catch him from day one say, "Ntim Fordjour oyetrimu difo on kanokre." But ni nyina be pie. Ni nyina be yi no ho. Ni nyina ye be hu de tuam. Na yire na ono nete no, onim se papa we ye di ne to, se na yire ne nim. But you see, ni nyina be pie, yete ya atwen. Ni nyina be pie, yete ha atwen. Now, this Makaya say MPP for nye nipa. AduTwum, country. And the country essay. Bongo and Tory. Now, AduTwum said, I used to sell kerosene. Dr. AduTwum reflects on childhood hustle. Obwa. MPP for whom? From Omo Muti Omumboro Musika edite party no. Ebesi Omo Hande atro for nkwa. So what study MPP for politics are? Obia free kurase. Obia maami no nisika. No obia papa etwa be. Na mu nyina free kurase tum. Na insuo ni ho. AduTwum boa no ton kerosene bia no ton crazy no boa. Me see, that is the kind of politics the MPP does. It won't was started. Me de minim yene namo humble beginnings any other bedru a omo ye wifo chain bibia wasase we so. Sa humble beginning for no omo ye wifo chain wifo. Me see, and the AduTwum ka kire say politics no be mu no ye nim bibi ono ne nkwara abrem no na ne ma mesoma na ko ton kerosene ana kerosene ansa no modidi oboa ope omo mu twatro pa MPP for penifo obi afre kurase ena na obi light ni krom ena na obi 19 kilometers an hour ena omo de ko school na omo di bode dwo na omo to atete na yeso omo ya beifo ena etwa omo kon ena ye de sebi omo ni ko share pipe ase ena omo maame ye chi omo maame kon ena ye de omo maame bodua nsambasa their light is a lie menjin di omo boa Baomia beka kire say ono no na otumi do 18 years ansa na wenye sika to aduane di Baomia boa. This is the MPP. Nana dan kwagu for the beka kire mo ono de okwa abrochire no na oye de ende no e na ne papa ni nyina na oboa na onum wi okonum wi abrochire ne pamo no odu France no start so obo hard drugs eku for the drug addict okonum wi ewa abrochire school ne pamo no and one be fie no na France and also koye djuma okude brothers yet ya no maka se eku for the onim nyansa chen obia law a wosuan ye nsuan bi da certificateless dwarf obaye and obedadaye apalu office and eku for the papa and eku for the koye mom so in as a lawyer only classmate to Ghana. The same strategy no ma start no sa no motie je eku for be ka kire oh ono de why nim bra wa bre omo nyina omo boa. My younger brother sacrificed his only pig so I could go to school. It go for me a beifo. San go for or san kecho na dia monchi. Amonchi ne asuru sa na dia show moto. Hwa asem ye AduTwum ka kire mo se o. Ni nua panyini eton ni preko. Che se kama ba o me mpo ga asem wo ye. Biti kra me ya. O see, you see there. Okoton kerosene wiero. Na me tie story no se no ton crazy into ofri kurase to kurase ofri bode no akọ ekodium ofri kodium na akọ pampo ofri pampo na akọ den apirande otonton crazy ni nyina wi a na wanya teku into onam kwa ho a ondidi onam kwan wo saa 18 kilometers na ne crazy no bottle no kuta no na eso no into onam kwan wa na ka so boni mfuturo na wan beduru fie ntem a bebi omo no kane ni ho tum inti embo no onum no na esum aba inti ebu ha okoton ewo nkuro insia so a na oba ne ama ne teku na tekuru kuta na wachichiri tekuru de ahyede drosum efise na akronfo wo kwan no so inti oba no na ka so ko omomfa no na sebio enkra se enwowo ne ade no nemu anadwo no na ni crazy ntoa ekutekura na yekekrekekre o se ntoa no se eye dedepe na nketia firi nwure ni peso meche wo ni jata inti na ne maame mu so abegina kwan ho na efiti ekwan ho bebia car ne free no car fam no efa ho ene ne cross no 18 miles ana 37 kilometers into wedru ho no ansa na watwa into oduru be 5:30 because kan ye ni wonti wa wonu say kurase ebo no numa na bebia yetum into mo yesukum mukam into basa na ne nua panyini no enso asikwan so be no miensa embo be no nsia no obeto no kwan ho na ne nua panyini aso ne nsa na omanam nwura nim na omanam nwura mom tumu nyo bebre nanka eye otwe adoa na emmoa epeso mo kyo mo we ni nyina no makopio mo kurase into onduru no na oyi ne hwo ase eye teku no obugo durufia odi sikadi bi eyeseboa eni teku odi ba kwa hyede to kwan no ena odi ba kwa hyede hwo ase into oduru a because akrofo okwan no so na onjini nwa panyin so ndi into odurufia na oyi keshire no oyi keshire to a na odi entoa na crazy ni gum na akosi eye ejare into oba satami eduani ya ye eye den eye ampesie eye menken keke ene de ngo ya che ngo keke desi wo na weyi eye teku no ene odi hyede totokuro nim no weyi na wahwia na ato na eye se boa no ehyede hwo ase ejuma ya bide na wayi se boa no na odi srenum na ni nyina srenum no de ma ne maame na ne maame e de abo eye de ne ntoma no wa kyekere o ka se so ne papa ekohwini ontene fie wanom nsa koriam eno ne nam nkura na se na onyenye mma internadwo no ne ama ne menken kakra ene ngo ntobu menken no de bom nti ade achi na afi bebia school na ohu de onye ena ne nua panyini na owo mbreko ba ne nyina ewu manaka baako ena ne nua panyika se ndi ono betena fie ma ono akwara ada ko school abedi pakese na ni preko no omuku no koton ye san kwase asem we no mde MPP mu alaji fama mo na gofo de omo jibi ti se tabono aje maji wana bindu wana zuwa sata wana zuwa preko etu ton de kosku enye preko kitwo enye preko tele ene se preko etu ton de kosku na se ogire wo te sala kaw yekun preko no ma de kosku nyina wie ene enye preko wa na ne se mo woska preko ba ku tu bi hwe school nyina na mo tie kura so ye dai mo ana mo kasare mo dofu mo hu inti tekuri so bole hye de hwase ena tekuri hye de trum ena se bole hye de hwase odu ade ye man na de aboka hira no akekere na wakodi mankeni ngo MPP for story ado no ye na efiri nwurem insuo di ho menti se MPP di bi kan story ka se han ena me kopo ena ekoyi na da bi ye de egu nwurem preko etumi kunu de ko edi ko hwe hu school de ena se preko dan enya Charles ketwa inti wo de yetume ku preko ma na etuma hwe school yetume ku preko edi ahwe wo school a ena na preko enya preko a wafon na iskafo preko na se preko we didi adore srade preko so de odore srade enye sikaketo le to so wo be gina se ye ku preko unua pen de wagimi ono de wo na unim ade omo ya no ade MPP for ya no ade bechi na ba omi gina keka nkwase asem ade bechi na ekufo de gina saa ba omi aba na nsen o so ba kan de chese inkurasesam saa politics we enye dwuma biem country munjai emfa me ho Hey, so we jata 9 and I go school. Me echo and family home. So 33,000 kilometers. And me and family home. Now, be the minister, the Sikabana on ya. What the mammy? I am a bottom one. Into a Zama Muntio, Momon Canocre. Ah, Omoboa Canocre, we are Zan. Santo, catch that.
Ntim, Bakade, what's on so? Ntim, Bakade, what's on so?
Can you Jinaso? Now, Mumeyanku, Jandam. I want us to talk about a very interesting. And it's got to do with a lady who reached out to us a week or so ago and said, a buying primary health care tricycles na Sebio Yadi Abano or Akati North na any Avevi area hono or you chip compound na ono super a year tricycle ni bi ewo sa ne community or said be ometumi aboa apem for ayare for oboko outreach. So we got the memo, we got the message from this lady, and we forwarded it to the right authorities. So when we got the message, we also emailed the Ministry of Health. And the catcher almost say, we have gotten a message like this from this lady, and that we will be happy. Yanshet Ministry, no, respectfully, if they can try and let this lady also get tricycle ni be able to ma boa Ghana any primary health care no. And sorry, na lady way about social media at the picture abeto akache nyina say she's very grateful to Ghana for the health minister, the ministry, Loud Silence with all due respect platform that ended no opese oda obi as say ono so na esejuma oye no ne home aba no ho sa vigor any passion na what nimu a opese odi na esejuma no. This is one of the things amane enija odibedi ejuma no. Now Osha in summer okanya, these are some of the things she wrote on social media. I'll say, I wish to express my deepest gratitude to His Excellency President John Dramani Mahama for hearing our appeal and delivering the free primary health care tricycle to our facility at Avevi Chip Compound Zone. Special thanks to you, with all due respect, Loud Silence Media, for amplifying our voice and sharing the appeal widely. I also sincerely thank you, Honorable Minister of Health, Kwabena Minka Akando, and every dedicated person who worked behind the scenes to ensure these items reached us. Also, we have received the tricycle and essential equipment, including a fetal Doppler, delivery bed, lying in bed, glucometer, patient monitor, and many other items that will transform healthcare for our community. We are truly grateful. This support will save lives. Thank you. The tricycle is a game changer. And you can see down there, Amega Awuzi, Nyoto Sasaku. I'm sorry if I didn't get this right. And Otroye, Akati North, Avevi Chip Compound Zone is grateful. We are all grateful that the health ministry listened to every single person who helped push the message to the ministry. And I'd like to thank the minister, Mr. Minka Akando. I'd like to also thank the President of the Republic. And Ranamitiaka say we need more of these tricycles. Every single part of Ghana, I will see a lot of these tricycles to enable these young people commit to the job and serve Mother Ghana. There are so many young people, hardworking young people like these. They really want to work. They really want to work. We know, say almost salary is not the best. In fact, I can't hear any baby crying, and they have been able to go through all these things to still call themselves nurses and still working. And I pray that their salaries and all the incentive that comes with a as time goes on, to make it better. That is what we are all praying for. I'll be happy to see a nurse as young as 26 paying for a 4-bedroom apartment through Ejuma Oye. We want to see stuff like that. We want to see people go into nursing, go into our health sector, making something better, getting money, saving money, and also building their lives. And we hope, say, as time goes on, government upon government will start to understand, say, Sanyaman kitinkiti webi, and a buama nipabinya areshemu eyomakumum eyejuma. The same applies to teachers. And it's a gradual thing. It takes time, but gradually, we will get there. So I would like to thank the president. I also like to thank the minister and every single person on this platform, my production team. They picked the news. They sent it to me, and we actually sent the message to the ministry through an email. And quickly, ministry, so they also and their lives will be saved. Akati and the areas around there. Indeed, we really appreciate the ace, and say more will come. I know, say our inbox is going to be flooded with. We also need some. Indeed, and easy. I know, say we Diana Kono. From Ochina Korean, may you sure say we also need some. Is going to be a lot in our inbox. Whatever we can do to push your message, we will do our best to push it. Now, you say, the ministry will also take care of it. Me pamocho, you bet my best. You to me juma ni na. Inti messages ne ba na bi wo ha you to me di juma enye memble me. The bet to me di juma no. We will do our best and let the appropriate agencies and our ministries get the information. Inti misremo. Yeah, just a conduit. Yeah, in some fire soon a carbon. Inti misremo. Man kaka Kevin Taylor. And na yeka asem we kire no na Kevin Taylor we fie mesremo menya minister me djuma me yi me platform we enya ban dia me ame dia me na me teye metuma pon anytime metuma good anytime metuma tena so 50 hours. Nobody can stop me. I can say whatever I want to say. Nobody has authority on my platform. I'm just dedicating this to help everybody. It's Mr. I will send you a message now say bia ye ntime di djuma na say want a response memfo we dibre meswaye. Where we send this message to the ministry, we were hoping, and Nyankopon yadum omunya response. So let's understand this. Team, I know you're going to receive a lot of messages from nurses around the nation. Yes, you are in your tricycles. Andrew and I catch a health minister. No, we need about 1,000 more of these tricycles in Ghana. Over 20,000. We need to be able to see them. I will say maybe who start tricycles will be. I will say at least. Unas for 10 emu 80 the tricycles will be one hospital we need to see a lot in the system. And also maintenance culture should be very, very important. The minister, you need to let the hospitals understand, the CHIP compounds, the community clinics understand, say they need to be maintaining these tricycles and no so they cannot just be riding it without maintaining it. Way any big machine, the maintenance bedding once in a while, every month be a mumbieso oil a mun change mun check it be okay, then you put it back on the road. Mamunchia abra mun check it. We beg you. Every single hospital and clinic be an chip compound be a tricycle be or at least every month. You guys need to open it and check oil. Check the way if you didn't juma. That is the only way I able to be a bekan ama de so yekipi. And yes aba no ye twini keke. Ye nhro ye nya she you go back to sender. I'm telling you people. So mo nurse for enkwara and our young nurses no I am also mumpeni for say please. Every month, can you people check this tricycle for us because it is helping us? Someone can pay for them, pay for them, and that's their responsibility. Motorbikes need break it down, and our tricycles need break it down. Mobile carry net on your back. You will carry the books. You will carry all the essentials on motorbikes. We want you people to also help. Communicate it to your leaders, please. You will carry the books. You will carry all the essentials on motorbikes. We want you people to also help. Communicate it to your leaders, please. At least every month, can also I will say check up. Sibia a month for ever check up on mo tricycle no so I will say most of the check up. E check say BBI okay. E jina na so tires no fit. Motor dankasa e run wo inside no they change oil. Someone nye na start say I am not going to work in those difficult terrains for you. Yeah, the bit mo. So keep it very well. And then maintain it very, very well. All right. Now,
NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it. They've been in existence for a long time and have been changing their names up till this day. The nature of who they are. Listen. Munjir. The nature of who they are, what they are, where they've come from, is something they are happy with, and they will be there for a long time. Let's not mimic their behavior. Let us reach into the principles and the values that emerged out of the circumstances that gave birth to us. And if we can hold onto those principles and those values, we will move way into the future and no one can ever defeat us. We will ride and override any obstacle as we did in the past. The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it. They've been in existence for a long time and have been changing their names up till this day. The nature of who they are. Listen. Munjir. The nature of who they are, what they are, where they've come from, is something they are happy with, and they will be there for a long time. Let's not mimic their behavior. Let us reach into the principles and the values that emerged out of the circumstances that gave birth to us. And if we can hold onto those principles and those values, we will move way into the future and no one can ever defeat us. We will ride and override any obstacle as we did in the past.
We will ride and override any obstacle as we did in the past. J.J. Rawlings said this, and we have to always remember the words of Jerry John Rawlings.
The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it. You know it, I know it. The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it.